Hi, I'm Guy, and the popular thing right now going on is YouTube. So how do you add YouTube to get more out of it? Well, using Vivaldi, the browser that I've been talking about, the YouTube channel has an RSS feed that you can add to Vivaldi, and it's a winner. So the steps I've got in a Google document, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. I've got them so you can get them. Got the steps. You go to your YouTube channel page. This is in the Vivaldi browser. You go to that channel page and access the About tab. And that's a trick a little bit, because the last time they updated YouTube, they did away with the About tab. And now you click on that right-hand feed arrow. You know, it's a greater than looking thing. It's right on the end of the YouTube channel name. Then share your channel, and that's just scroll down to the bottom, press the share button, and then select copy, and this will put your copy of your channel's URL in the clipboard in Windows. Then open a new tab in the Vivaldi browser. When you copy that address into the address bar, the feed button appears right there, and you click on the feed button, and then you get the title, and you can subscribe. You can also preview it too to make sure it's the right stuff. So bazinga, you've got the RSS feed for your YouTube channel and the Vivaldi. And that and other pages that have the RSS button, you can do the same with that too. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.